In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a horizontal line in MT5. Now, the easiest way to do this is to open up a chart, so any chart is going to work, and then you want to go to the top here where you can see different drawing tools, and this one over here says Draw Horizontal Line. Now, if you can see this, you may want to click on over here to open this drop down, and now it should be in here, but by default should be up top over here. So just click on this Draw Horizontal Line over here, then you want to go and click anywhere where you want it. For example, let's say I want it like over here. You want to click there, and there we go. This is your horizontal line. And of course, you can right click it and go into properties, and then from here you can change its color like this over here. You can go and change its style, its thickness. You could go and do a lot of things over here, and then click on OK, and it's going to change accordingly. So this is how you do this, and if you want to move it, just click on it and drag it, and that's really all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.